Welcome everyone. The ailing planet, the green movement's role. Today we are going to do question and answers. I hope you are ready. So the first question of your book is understanding the text. Locate the lines in the text that support the title The Ailing Planet. So here some lines I have selected for this answer. The lines that support the title are: the Earth's vital signs reveal a patient in declining health. Second one is, are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscapes, and the ailing environment? One more I have selected. The environment has deteriorated so badly that it's critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. And there is one more line: there can be no doubt that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society. So these lines you can write in support of the title The Ailing Planet. Question number 2. What does the notice the world's most dangerous animal at a cage in the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia signify? So here you can write the world's most dangerous animal signifies that human has deteriorated the planet from a long time, that his own survival is under threat now. So he is the most dangerous animal. Next question is, how are the Earth's principal biological systems being depleted? So there are 4 principal biological systems: fisheries, grasslands, forests, and croplands. These 4 systems provide food and raw material for industry except for minerals and synthetics. These systems have reached an unsustainable point where their productivity have impaired. As a result, fisheries are collapsing, deforestation is taking place, grasslands are turning into barren wasteland, and croplands are becoming worse. Overfishing is very common nowadays, where people are becoming protein conscious. In poor countries, the forest is being cut down on a large scale to obtain wood for cooking. In some areas, firewood is more costly than food. It's costlier than food. Many species are under destruction in tropical forests. Question number 4. Why does the author aver that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society? So the author here avers that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors behind the distortion of the future of mankind, because overpopulation leads to unemployment, rise in poor health conditions, and ultimately poverty. It deteriorates the environment and the 4 principal biological systems. The richer are getting rich and the poor is birthing more children, which leads to more unemployment. Development is the best contraceptive, which will lead to more employment, rise in health conditions, and improvement in education. It also results in a reduction in fertility rate. We have to choose between population control and keeping up with poverty. Next question, talking about the text. Question number 1, discuss. Discuss Laws are never respected nor enforced in India. So here you can write, according to the Article 48A of the Constitution of India, the state should try to protect and improve the environment and must protect the forest and wildlife of the country. But the painful fact is that laws are not followed in India. For example, casteism, untouchability, and bonded labor are said to be abolished in India but are still in practice. Over the last 4 decades, India is losing forest at a harmful rate of 3.7 million acres a year as per the report of Parliament's Estimates Committee. The large area of forest land is now treeless and the actual loss is estimated to be 8 times the rate given by government statistics. Question number 2. Discuss. Are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscapes, and an ailing environment? So, answer will be the above lines we mentioned in the first report of the Brand Commission. With the rising scale of distortion of the environment, humans are going to leave a burned planet with arid deserts, poor landscapes, and a poor environment for our future generations. Our earth is like a patient with declining health, and it is not a good sign. Deforestation and overpopulations are some of the reasons behind the deterioration of the earth. We must realize our era of responsibility before it is too late. We must conserve the earth as we have borrowed it from our future generations. We are not the owners. Question number 3. Discuss. We have not inherited this earth from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children. For many decades, as you all know, humans are using the resources of the earth at a very alarming rate without worrying about future generations. Now the environment has become critical enough that humans must realize the era of responsibility towards it. With quite some time, human perception is changing and the earth is seen as a holistic and ecological view. Earth is seen as a living organism which has its own metabolic and vital needs. We must protect the resources for future generations. Use of sustainable development, which means meeting the needs of the present generation without compromising with future generations. Thus, the earth's resources should be utilized in a way that does not affect the future. And now the last question. The problems of overpopulation that directly affect our everyday life. Discuss. So here you can write, overpopulation leads to many problems like that are which are affecting mankind and natural resources. It leads to poverty, unemployment. The poor children are forced to live the same lifestyle as their parents did because of the lack of resources and facilities. Overpopulation leads to lesser education and low health facilities, which results in more problems like the rise in harmful diseases and fertility rate. The natural resources are being consumed at a very fast rate to fulfill the need of the population throughout the world. Deforestation is one of the issues where forests are being cut down, and all these results in global warming, and if the population is not controlled, it will deplete the environment and earth. So now it's time to say thank you for watching.